stress. Last month we had seen stress management with yoga part 1, in which we saw what are stressors. Stressors are those which induce stress into a person. These are the stimulants in and around a person which can cause stress to that person. Okay, so we have seen what yoga has, how yoga has put forth stressors in the yogic texts of Patanjali. So now we'll be moving ahead, a bit ahead, as we had seen that when we talk about stress management, it is always like first comes the stressors, then what is attitude, and ultimately the stress reaction, and finally will come, or in between these things when we see them, we'll think about how can we manage all these things at that particular moment. So first are the stressors. Stressors are there in and around everywhere. Then is our attitude, how we look towards any situation in life. Okay, and finally is our reaction to the stressor. That is a stress reaction. We'll be talking about stress reactions and how to manage more into detail into our next part. But today we'll be dealing with attitude. We have dealt with stressors last month. This month we are dealing with what is attitude. See how attitude makes a difference when it comes to a stress reaction. Is either the sources of stress are internal or external. This we have seen last month. The source may be whatever. A foolish thought in my mind can also be a cause of stress. Some of my disease, some of my paining organ, or some of my disorder inside can also be a source of stress. While otherwise external sources of stress like any type of calamity situation, any type of difficult situation where we are not able to cope up with the demand. So all these can be coming under the sources of stress. As Patanjali has put it, Vyadhi sthana samshaya pramad alasya avirati bhranti darshana alabdha bhumikatva anavastitatvani chitta vikshepaste antaraya. These are the disturbances, or we can say stressors. He has mentioned diseases, Vyadhi, sthana, samshaya. We have talked in detail about this. If you are new to this topic, you can see a DVD which has been which I have talked last month, so that you will be understanding what I am talking over here when it is stressors. Now today we will be talking about this part. It is, okay, a situation is there, a thing has happened, something is coming, but what is my thought over it, or what is my attitude when I look towards that particular situation or problem thing or the stressor is going to define my stress reaction. So either I am positive or either I am negative about that situation. What is my attitude? Usually we say that we have to develop positive attitude, positive attitude, positive attitude. But how to do that? And how does it normally happen? How it happens consciously, unconsciously? And how can we curtail it, and how can we maintain our balance and make it more positive? Is what we are going to see, and how yoga has put forth this point. And then next time we will be talking about the stress reactions completely in detail and some more techniques. As we see attitude, if we see the definitions, it is what? It is my opinion. If there is a situation, there are 10 of us facing the same situation, everyone has a different opinion about that particular thing. That defines his attitude, how he looks towards the problem. Okay? The way of thinking. It's the manner in which I think about anything. Then, many of the times it is also reflected by our body postures. You can see the person just far away, reacting to something, and we can make out that how he is he having a positive attitude, see how calm he looks, he's peaceful, even in such a stress situation, he's handling everything calmly. We can make out from his body postures, his body actions, movements. We can make out. Or else, at times we see negative people, we already with changed eyebrows and everything, they are always finding some or the other negation in whatever situation that happens. So it ultimately reflects by our body faces, features and postures also. So now when such a kind of attitude, either positive or negative, how to manage it and how to make it come in more of a positive manner, that time Patanjali has talked about two important sutras. One is coming under the first chapter, the 33rd sutra, which we will be looking now. Maitri Karuna Mudito Pekshanam Sukha Dukkha Punya Punya Vishayanam Bhavana Chitta Prasadanam. And the second one comes in the second chapter. It is again the 33rd sutra, where he talks about Vitarka Badhane Pratipaksha Bhavanam. So I'll be talking about only those two verses or sutras today, because there is a lot of what Patanjali has talked about, lifestyle, attitude developments and tricks to manage stress. Everything comes lot into yoga. But today we will be confining it because we have less time, and if you have to understand the things properly, we have to distribute it. That's why I'm going into parts. Last time I've taken part 1. It can't be done at one stage that I am taking stress management within 1 hour or 2 hours it will be over. Because there is, what I feel is, everyone has to rethink upon these things. Once I have some, I should be finding analogies to it. I should be finding examples in my life wherein I can match whatever I have learned. And then when I go to the next step, that time I am more confirmed and more powerful in going to the next step. So today we are seeing Maitri Karuna Mudito Upekshanam Sukha Dukkha Punya Punya Vishayanam Bhavana Chitta Prasadam. What he has said is how we look towards things. See, many of the times good things happen and bad things happen to people around us, in our family, our friends, everywhere. So when we look out to such situations, when we look out to such people who are either happy or in sorrow, how do we look towards that thing? Because stress will come later on. First is, how am I? What is my attitude while looking towards the world is what has to be first cleaned. My lens has to be cleaned so that I can visualize everything perfectly clean, clear. So how to clean my lens is here what he talks. See, if I am saying a situation of happiness, sukha, then I should have friendly attitude towards pleasure and happiness. If any of my friend gets a big award, I should feel happy about it. I should feel pleasure about that thing also. I should have a maitri, that bhavana of maitri towards happiness, even of others. Many of the times, for my happiness I am happy. But if any other person is happy, then I feel maybe a bit jealous. Maybe I may feel, how this person has got it? Why he should get it? Why I should not get it? So when these type of thoughts come into our mind, we get disturbed. See, these are very, very subtle levels where we start developing stress. Start developing stress into our mind. बहुत subtle level पे. Big situation, terrorist standing in front of you with a gun, that time you are stressed. Obviously, any big sadhu sant will be stressed at that situation. But where is the minor level? When वो जब पहाड़ बनना है stress का, तो उसके लिए पहले there have to be basements which are developed, and ultimately when the terrorist will come in front of you with a gun, that time maybe some people may not be that stressed. They may handle it easily. But a person who is already, the mountain is ready and he has to just climb the peak, may fall to that stress reaction. May fall into some difficult situation. So, first is what? friendly attitude towards pleasure and happiness. Now I'll talk about these things at both levels. See, one is at my thought level and one is my thoughts about others. What I think about others. ये जो